Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So let's get practice again, and here we would like to show you how to convert the hours to become minutes and second. How to do that and what formula we will use. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, the formula is pretty easy guys. So here I will show you the formula. So the first step you can do is you can type the equal over here and put the P5 that contains about the hours. And for example, this is the 8 hours and 30 minutes. And after that, you can multiply it with the 24, or it means 24 hour, and multiply it again with 60, that it means 60 minutes. And after that, you can see the result of the minutes after being converted. And if you would like to change it from hour to become seconds, then you can just add more 60, that it means the 60 seconds. And let's try this formula. I will type the equal for convert the hour to become the minutes, and I will click this cell of P5 and I will multiply it or give the asterisk, and after that type the 24 and asterisk again and give the 60, or it means 60 minutes. And after that you can simply enter. And doesn't it change? Don't worry, because you can select this cell and you can go to this number, and I will change the format to become general, and there you go, and give it a double click. Voila, this is the result after we convert these hours to become minutes. And what if we would like to change it to become second? It is pretty easy. Then you can just type the equal again, give the P5, and after that asterisk 24 asterisk 60 and asterisk again and 60 for the 60 second, and after that enter. And you can change the format again to become general and give it the double click, and there you go. This is the result after you do the converting. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this formula. If you have the test to reveal about this hour to become minutes and second, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also, if you find this video helpful for you, then don't forget to hit the like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.